Hoffman degradation reaction. Hoffman degradation reaction is used to convert any amide molecule into corresponding amine. So there is a removal of CO group. This reaction is carried out in presence of bromine and NaOH as a base. So let us discuss the mechanism part. So we know that function of base is to abstract the proton. So RC double bond O NH and H. I am purposefully writing this hydrogen atom separately because I want to carry out reaction with a base. So base will abstract the proton atom and there will be formation of negative charge onto the nitrogen atom. So RC double bond O and H minus. Now there will be reversal of charge. So now there will be negative charge with the oxygen atom, that is RCO minus double bond and H minus. Now when we add bromine Br2, so what will happen? There will be reversal of charge. This charge with nitrogen atom will make attack onto the bromine atom and Br minus will be departing. So we can write this structure as R C double bond O N H and Br. So this is a first step. Now this hydrogen atom I am purposefully writing is a separate atom. So in next step, when we carry out reaction in presence of base, again there will be abstraction of hydrogen atom. So there will be abstraction of hydrogen atom and nitrogen atom will have a negative charge, or we can say there is a formation of C double bond N with the oxygen having a negative charge. We can show it both the ways. So the resulting structure will be RCO minus double bond N Br. Now and there will be rearrangement. So when the charge from oxygen atom will revert, the alkyl group will migrate from carbon atom to nitrogen atom, and this will lead to elimination of bromine molecule, and there will be formation of isocyanate derivative Rn double bond C double bond O. This isocyanate is a toxic, so it requires careful handling. Now in presence of H2O, there will be formation of carbamic acid. So this carbonyl carbon will be positive, nitrogen will be negative, hydrogen here is positive, OH minus is negative. So positive will be attached to negative, similarly negative will be attached to positive part. So what will happen? R N nitrogen is negative, so it will have a H plus of water molecule, double bond will break into single bond, C double bond O and OH. Now this carbamic acid is unstable and it will decompose with the elimination of CO2 to give the final product. Now decomposition will take place in this way. C double bond O, valency of carbon atom increases, so nitrogen atom will have a negative charge, and as the nitrogen atom have negative charge, it will attract proton. So here the CO2 will be eliminated and there is a formation of RNH2. So primary amine is formed here from primary amide.